Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a fully automated workflow that reads updates from any RSS feed and sends them directly to both Discord and Telegram, automatically and without writing a single line of code. This kind of automation is perfect for community managers, content creators, or anyone who wants to share updates, news, or blog posts instantly across multiple platforms. Once you set it up, it runs quietly in the background and saves you time every day. Let's go through the process step by step. The first block is the schedule trigger. This defines how often your workflow will run. For example, every 10 minutes, once per hour, or once a day. It ensures your system is always checking for new updates automatically. Next, we have edit fields. This step allows you to manually adjust or customize any parameters before the workflow starts. For example, a keyword or a title format. After that comes the read module. This is where the magic happens. It fetches the latest posts or news items from your chosen source. Every time there's a new update, this block captures it and sends it down the workflow. Then we move on to the filter step. The filter makes sure that only the updates you care about continue through the automation. You can set filters by keywords, date, or even content type, so only relevant posts are shared. Now comes the Discord block. Here, the workflow automatically sends a message to your Discord server or channel, for example, posting the title, link, and short description of each new article. This keeps your community instantly informed, without you having to log in or copy and paste links manually. Finally, the Send a Text Message module connects to Telegram. It takes the same message that was sent to Discord and delivers it to your Telegram group or channel, keeping both platforms perfectly synchronized. And that's it. Once everything is connected, this system works quietly in the background, fetching new updates, filtering them, and sending them wherever you want. No extra work, no coding, just pure automation. With this setup, you'll save time, reduce repetitive tasks, and keep your followers up to date on every platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Tell me what kind of automation you'd like me to cover next, and I'll make a full step-by-step guide for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.